Hi everyone, welcome to the Grow and Glow channel where we focus on personal development, leadership, and financial literacy. Today, we're discussing a very important topic for anyone who's just starting out on their financial journey. Financial planning. Whether you're a recent graduate, starting a new job, or just want to take control of your finances, this video is for you. In this video, we'll cover the basics of financial planning and give you a roadmap for how to get started. Section 1. Why financial planning is important. Financial planning is essential for creating a solid foundation for your financial future. Without a plan, it's easy to get sidetracked or make mistakes that can impact your finances for years to come. A good financial plan will help you set realistic goals, create a budget, and prioritize your spending. By taking control of your finances now, you'll be better equipped to handle unexpected expenses, invest in your future, and live the life you want. Section 2. Setting financial goals. The first step in financial planning is to set clear and achievable financial goals. Consider both short-term goals, such as paying off debt or building an emergency fund, and long-term goals, like saving for retirement or buying a home. It's important to make these goals specific, measurable, and with a deadline in mind. Write down your goals and review them regularly to make sure you're on track. Section 3. Creating a budget. Now that you have your goals in mind, it's time to create a budget. A budget will help you track your income and expenses and give you a clear understanding of where your money is going. Start by listing all of your sources of income and all of your fixed and variable expenses. Be honest with yourself about your spending and make adjustments where necessary. Remember, a budget is a living document that should be reviewed and updated regularly. Section 4. Managing debt. Debt is a common issue for many people, but it doesn't have to be a permanent part of your financial picture. Start by understanding what types of debt you have and prioritize paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. Consider consolidation or refinancing to lower your interest rates and make it easier to manage your debt. Make a plan to pay off your debt as quickly as possible while still making progress towards your other financial goals. Section 5. Building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a critical part of any financial plan. It gives you a safety net in case of unexpected expenses like job loss, medical bills, or car repairs. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in an emergency fund. Make this a priority and automate your savings so that it's a regular part of your budget. Section 6. Investing for the future. Once you've tackled debt and built an emergency fund, it's time to start thinking about your future. Investing your money can help it grow over time and provide you with financial security later in life. There are many different types of investments to choose from, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. It's important to do your research and understand the risks and potential rewards of each investment option. Financial planning is a journey, but with the right tools and discipline, anyone can take control of their finances and achieve their goals. Get valuable insights and tips in this video and always seek professional guidance. Let's start your financial journey today.